Hey guys, sorry. Hey guys, it's Melissa and I'm back again with another video. So today I have my Pokemon. So yeah, I got my Pokemon, my regular cards, and I'm gonna be unboxing this. Sorry for that big noise in the background. My mouth. See two boosters, a little case, and the regular cards. So let's get unboxing. So it has some pages to start with, and then no, wait, take this one out. Just finally in the back. Yeah. So I got a Sun and Moon and Stream Stitch, or Stitch, I'm sorry. I'm not the best at reading. So I'm going to do the Sun and Moon first. Okay. So let's see. And I'll tell you if I got any GXs. So I have this card. Ultra Ball. Small I don't know this. So Ball, I can't say it. Bull, Energy, Crab, Mandible, Crabber, I can't, I'm sorry. And the shiny one. I think the next one I might get at EX. I don't know. So, now let's, oh, and it came with that little smushy titty. Oh, I already showed that, sorry. Okay. I can't open it. There. No EXs are here. What? $140, yeah. Was that 100? No. 70 altogether and then 650. So now I'm gonna take some of these cards. So any of my good cards. So EXs, GXs, breaks. I have one break. This one. Oh. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna just take out the special one. So, the piece of, no. I don't have that much specials, but I do have a couple. I'm gonna put this one. This one's fake. Who cares? Real. Did I get those reals? No. Fake. Where's my other silver? Wait, where's one? There's one. Let me just double check this. Okay. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8. No. Not that much, but still. Better than that. I have a Pikachu EX. There I go.
Wait, is there more groceries?
I got a. It's a mega. It's fake though. Another mega, but it's fake. Okay, so I have a lot more space things. So, I do have another binder, but I would need to find it. But, ooh, look at one of my cards, the back. So, I really thought that I would do something. Oh, I think I traded one of my Socoleros for the Pikachu. Or no, the Bray. The Bray. Oh, I thought a break was like an EX or an EX. And by the way, I'm not the best at Pokemon, so yeah. Bella, don't eat. Mommy's gonna cook dinner.
Which takes a while. So I eat.
So, I have a Pikachu. I don't know how to say it because someone likes it. I can't say it. Okay. Please stop. Okay, but at least we do. I have Snorlax. Ooh, the glare is bad. Okay. Not Snorlax. It's Snorlax. Oh, sorry. I have this holding it. There. So, why is it like, oh, where's that one with almost 240 damage? Oh my god. I will find it. I will find it. Oh, let's do this one. told you guys how to find it. Comment down below if you guys like Pokemon. It's my best friend. Okay, so I will show you guys the Pikachu area. Here's the lighting is good. Maxwell, I don't know. Snorlax, Groundon, Sokolaya, Bray, Orlando, I think that's how you say it. And we're gonna change it. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the camera up to my face, but I'm kidding, excited. That's creepy. But my hair is well, peace out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my bell. If you guys could do that, comment down below, and I will shout you guys out.